Good morning, students. This is your maths class, and we had completed up to this question number. This is question number C of exercise 3.31. Okay, this is on page number 33. Okay, so we are going to start with the question number 2 today. Okay, so here you can see it's written write in expanded form and add. Okay, so in question number A, it's written 6325 plus 3784. Okay, you are going to add them up after expanding it. Okay, now you are going to do the similar process that we had done earlier in the question number 1. Okay, you are going to follow this process. Okay, so here I've written already 6325 plus 3784. You will add them up by starting with the number which is in left hand side. Okay, 6 is in thousands place, so you will write 6000. 3 is in hundreds place, so you'll write 300 plus 300. 2 is in tens place, so you'll write plus 20, and 5 is in ones place, so you'll write 5. Okay, now the next number is 3784, so again you'll start writing from the number which is in left hand side. Okay, so 3 is in thousands place, so you'll write 3000, plus 7 is in hundreds place, so you'll write 700, and 8 is in tens place, so you'll write 80, plus 4 is in ones place, so you'll write 4. Okay, now you are going to add them up. Okay, now there are 3 zeros in both the numbers, so you'll write first 3 zeros. Okay, or if you add them up, you will similarly get 3 zeros. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 again. Okay, now 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the number will be 9000. Plus here again, if you look at both the numbers that you're adding up, there are 2 zeros in both the numbers, so first you'll write 2 zeros. Okay, or 0 plus 0 will be equal to 0, 0 plus 0 again will be equal to 0. Now 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you'll write 10 over here, and it's 1000. Okay, plus 20 plus 80. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0, 8, 9, 10. So you'll write 10 over here, which will be 100. Okay, now plus 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. Now you'll again start writing from the number which is in left hand side. Okay, first you'll write 9000, after that you'll write 1000. Okay, after that you'll write 100, then after that you'll write 9. Okay, you'll add them up. 9 plus 0 plus 0 will be 9. 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 will be 1. 9 plus 1 will be 10. Okay, so the number is 10,109. Okay, similarly you are going to do B, C and D. Okay, now for question number 3, estimate the following sums by rounding off the addends as mentioned. Okay, so here the numbers are been given. Okay, you have to add them up. Okay, but first you have to round off the addends. Okay, these numbers as written in the brackets. Okay, now in these numbers you have to first round them off to the nearest 100. Okay, so there's an example given over here. Okay, estimating the sum by rounding off. Okay, estimation gives a rough or approximate value of the sum. Okay, it doesn't give the exact value. Okay, it gives rough or approximate, close to, okay, value of the sum. To estimate the given sum, round off the numbers and add. Example, Twinkle has 4,536 stamps of India. Okay, 2,102 stamps of USA and 1,938 stamps of UK. Estimate the number of stamps she has if she rounds off all the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, so they are asking to estimate the number of stamps Twinkle has by rounding off the numbers, these numbers, to the nearest 10. So Twinkle has approximately stamps of India. How much stamps of India? 4,536. So if you round them off to the nearest 10, 5,336 gets round off to 4,536 gets rounded off to 4,540. Okay, why? Because when you are rounding a number to the nearest 10, you are looking at the number which is in the digit which is in ones place. 6. Okay, here you have got 6 which is more than 5. Okay, so you will increase the number, okay, which is in tens place. So the number which is in tens place will be 40 and 4, and you'll write 0 in ones place. Okay, so 4,540. So the number of stamps or stamps of USA will be equal to how many? She has 2,102. Okay, 2,102. So when you round this number off to the nearest 10, you will again look at the digit which is in ones place. It's 2. Okay, so it is less than 5. So you'll write 0 over here in ones place, and since it's less than 5, okay, you will again write 0 in tens place. Okay, so the number after rounding off to the nearest 10 will be 2,100. Okay, now stamps of UK is 1,938. Now again, if you round this number to the nearest 10, okay, you have to look at the digit which is in ones place, which is 8, and it is more than 5. So you'll write 0 at ones place and increase the number which is in tens place by 1. Okay, so you write 3 more than 1. If you add 1 to 3, you'll get 4. So you'll write 40 over here, and the other two numbers will be the same, 1919. Okay, so the nearest number to 1938 after rounding off to the nearest 10 will be 1940. So you'll write 1940, and after that you'll add these numbers. Okay, 4540, 4540 plus 2100, okay, plus 1940. So here you get the answer. The estimated value will be 8,580. Similarly, here they have asked you to round off to the nearest 100. Okay, these numbers should be rounded off to the nearest 100. The numbers are question number 3, A. Okay, the numbers are 4627 plus 3781 plus 1215. Okay, now they are asking to round this number off to the nearest hundred first. Okay, so we'll start with the number which is on the left hand side. Okay, now if you look, when you are rounding off the numbers to the nearest hundred, you will look at the number at the digit which is in tens place. Okay, here they were asking to round off to the nearest 10, so we were looking at the number which is in ones place. Okay, so now here when they are asking to the to round off the numbers to the nearest hundred, so you look at the number which is in tens place. So here in 4627 you can see the number which is in tens place is less than 5, so you'll write 0 in ones place, 0 in tens place, and the number will be kept as same which is in hundreds place, and 4. Okay, 4600. Why? Because they are asking to round off this number to the nearest hundred. So the number which is closest to the nearest hundred is 4600. Okay, to 4627. The number which is closest to 4627 is 4600. Okay, now the next number is 3784. Sorry, I have written here 481. Okay, 3784. Okay, now again we are rounding off this number to the nearest hundred, so you will look at the digit which is in tens place, which is 8, and it is more than 5. Okay, so you will add 1 to the number which is in hundreds place and write 0 in tens and ones place. Okay, so you'll write 3000. Okay, 7 plus 1 will be 8, and write zeros in the tens and ones place. So the number when you round off 3784 to its nearest hundred will be 3800. Okay, plus now the other number or the third number is 1215. Okay, again we are rounding off this number to the nearest hundred, so you look at the number or the digit which is in tens place. Here it is 1, so you don't have to add any number to the number which is in hundreds place. Okay, you will simply write 1002 and 0 in tens and ones place. Okay, so the number will be 1200. Now you have to add them up. Okay, you can write them over here in the side. Okay, 4600, 3800, 1200, and add them up. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. Again 0 plus 0 plus 0 will be 0. 6 plus 8 will be 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 plus 2 will be 14, 15, 16. So you'll write 6 over here and carry 1 at the top. 4 plus 1 will be 5. 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1 will be 9. Okay, so the answer will be 9600. Okay, now similarly you are going to do the next question, which is question number B. Here they have given three numbers, okay, and they are asking you to round off to the nearest 1000. Okay, so when they are asking you to round the number, given number, to the nearest 1000, you will look at the number which is in hundreds place. Okay, here it is 8, so it is more than 5, so you'll add 1 over here, okay, to the digit 2, okay, and you will write zeros in rest of the numbers, which will be 3000. Plus again here when you look, the number or the digit which is in hundreds place is 4, which is less than 5, so you'll write, you don't have to add any number to the number which is in thousand place, you'll simply write 6000. Plus here in the last number you can see it's written 1324. Okay, so you'll look at the number which is in hundreds place, it is 3, which is less than 5. Again you don't have to add any number to the digit which is in thousands place, you'll just write 1 and write zeros in the digits which is in hundreds, tens and ones place. Okay, so it will be 1000. Okay, and at the end you will add them up in this way, is in this manner. Okay, and get the answer. Okay.